On the issue of immigration, we have also failed to reflect where most people are at. Sinn Féin stands firmly against racism, so too do the Irish people. We are a modern European economy and a strong one. We depend on migrant workers in so many areas of our society, not least our health service. Everyone must be treated with dignity, with respect, and in accordance with human rights standards. That is not in dispute. However, the state must also have an immigration policy that makes sense to people, that's transparent, that's fair, and that works. And at present, that is not the case. We need a system that ensures applications are processed swiftly, with clear criteria for determining who can come, whether they can work, and what support they may receive. Sinn Féin will represent what people want for this country.